We are in the process here of doing a bit of cleaning around the shop. We've picked a good wall here, as you can see, to put our wet and forget to the test. This is our famous wet and forget algae moss remover. You spray it on, you leave it on, you let it dry, and your work is done. So we're going to be applying this. Paddy's in the process here at the minute of applying this. You can use any garden sprayer. Simply spray it on, let it dry, pick a good mild day if you can, let it dry on the wall surface for 8 to 10 hours. Once it's dried, the work is done. If you can avoid power washing, sweeping, scraping that area, it'll leave a layer on there preventative. It'll keep your moss off for 8 to 9 months. So we're going to do a spray on here today. We're going to come back in 10 days. We're going to show you the results after just 10 days. How he's doing, folks? We're back here again at our wet and forget wall. We're 6 days now after application, and as you can see, huge difference already. If you want to get a close up there, Mr. Cameraman, almost all your moss, all your algae, your green, your red is completely removed. We did try power washing this, but it just doesn't remove the moss. You'll be removing paint before you remove the moss. You do need a specialist product, in this case our wet and forget. Nothing does it better than wet and forget. It's the easiest solution. Spray it on, walk away, job's done, job's a good one. There's nothing like it. So normally you're looking at about 10 days for your results. In this case, like I said, we're only 6 days in here. So it goes to show you, folks, wet and forget is the simplest and best solution for your moss, for your algae. Just show you the range here. So what we've used there is our biggest seller, our 5 litre bottle. You're getting 30 litres of a mix out of that there, mixing it of a ratio of 5 to 1. We also sell in a smaller 2 litre bottle. You're making 12 litres out of that. For your high to reach areas or your quicker use, you're looking at probably our wet and forget rapid. 2 litre bottle, quick release, male end on that. Pop your hose in, turn on the valve, she'll spray out of the bottle. So your high to reach, fascia, soffit, tiles on a roof there, for high to reach places, this is the best solution for that. So that's our results today from our little wet and forget experiment. I think you'll all agree there's no product like it for moss and algae removal.